X-type, nou 'n karate fliek. Tans ek Bruce Leroy met 'n stuk monkey trick, as ek 'n woes b-boy of Jackie Chan, as ek Sammy skiet op 'n gravel beds in my mangazzi. Beter lek jou met 'n bunny lick. Shaolin bandit, dis haar kop gaan voel.
Jordan passes the 2-2. Dispossessed by FIFA. Gotten back by Jordan in the LOC. Oh no! It's an own goal! This is a disaster!
When they are older, children might wonder why we sold out in the name of the FIFA flag. FIFA flag. FIFA flag. FIFA flag. Borders are open to tourists from Rome, but violence goes from migrant folks from Gaborone and other zones.
Yes.
Then I got told that we'd be host. Africa's answers to Blatty's office of gangster commerce, a drive-by. But be not deceived by the feet on the screen. Look to the streets where the kickoff is mean, and we're struggling, trying to beat all the challenges. New democracy, the money they choose, the stadium not tools, but we should be lifting the minds of the youth. When we are sober from all the soccer, there will go fever. Guess who that made the cash? And they don't put back, they never put back. No, they don't put back, no.
The World Cup is running over, and I don't know what to do. No, I don't know. No, I don't know. The excitement is nice when it silences the fighting. Me and my wife is finally smiling. Even though Freddy McCarthy couldn't climb in, Bafana knock France and America is lining. Wow! Arrivederci Italy, England, Rooney, near the Putney, you feeling me? Africa was on the map before FIFA slavery. See every trick in the book, there's no kidding me.
When we are sober from all the soccer, there will go fever. Guess who that made the cash? And they don't put back, they never put back. No, they don't put back, no.
The enemy's balls, the penalty score. The LOC had the key, letting own goals. I heard them say World Cup is the way, but what about after? How long will we pay?
There's a part of me dying to see all the artistry applied on the